Hi, and welcome to the club. You will love this month's transfer. These birds are the perfect icon for spring. The quote is so fun and inspirational. We're going to show you how to build this design on our Aiden 9x12 frame, but this transfer has lots of different elements, so you can make something in a custom size or configuration just for you. Your shipment this month comes with everything you see here: the bee-sized What If You Fly transfer and 3 paste singles in Shimmer Silver, Couture Teal, and Peachy Keen. I've gathered my project supplies here, so let's get started. I'll only be using silver and teal, and then bright white, which you may have if you purchased it as part of the Best Basics kit when you joined. I'm saving the Peachy Keen for a later project. I'll begin by cutting apart the different elements with my transfer trimmers to cut along the provided lines. I'll start with the main quote, and first I'll remove it from the backer and press it down on our fuzzing cloth, or you could use a terry cloth towel. This will just pick up a bit of lint to ease the adhesive and make it easier to remove from my surface after pasting. I'll center it near the top of the board and get it smoothed out and adhered with no bubbles or wrinkles in the transfer. Next, I'll grab the wire. That's for the birds to perch on, and I'll fuzz it first, then center it too, just a few inches above the bottom of the frame. I think mine's about 2 1/4 inches. I'll prepare my first Couture Teal paste by kneading the packet a bit, just to make sure the paste is mixed and ready to go. Then I'll just clip the corner and squeeze some out onto my color tray, which is just a handy plastic dish that I'm using as a palette. I'll do the same with the Shimmer Silver paste, and I've stirred up my jar of bright white just so I'm ready to go. Now I'll load up a mini squeegee with bright white and smooth the paste over just the top phrase and the author. Once I've got the screened area covered, I'll scrape off the excess, and then with a clean mini squeegee, I'll pick up some Shimmer Silver and chalk the What If You Fly portion. And the sparkle in this paste is just going to make this pop. I'm going to work carefully around the white paste that's already down and make sure I take off the excess there and then peel this back. Oh, it's looking so good. I'll set that aside to wash later, and then I'll catch the wire at the bottom here in the Shimmer Silver as well. It's just a simple detail, but it's going to be perfect for those birds. I'll dry that a little with our quick dry tool. When it comes to layering, you want to make sure your paste is fully dried so it doesn't get smudged or pull up when doing a second layer. Another thing that helps with layering is fuzzing, so I'm preparing the birds just like I did with the other transfers, pressing them into the fuzzing cloth to make the adhesive less intense. Then I'll position them a little left of center, just so I have room for all 3. Then I'll get the third little guy placed on as well. Now, with a clean mini squeegee, I'll pick up some of this lovely Couture Teal and chalk the birds. These are so cute, and you could make them any color you wish, but I am partial to our signature teal. And that's it. Now I can just remove these transfers to wash them, and oh, they look so good. Such a fun design to go with this inspiring quote. And don't forget, there are other elements to use. So this will be a design you can reimagine any way you want using different transfer pieces, different colors, and surfaces. It's always easy to customize high-end DIY home decor with Club Couture. Happy chalking!